Welcome back to Upcoming Car. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS Turbo, a car that's turning heads with its sporty design, powerful turbocharged engine, and well-balanced interior features. Mitsubishi is aiming to make a statement with this model, blending performance, affordability, and everyday usability into one exciting package. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Eclipse GS Turbo has a sharp, aggressive design that stands out on the road. The front fascia features a bold grille with a honeycomb pattern, complemented by sleek LED headlights that stretch into the fenders. The sculpted hood hints at the power underneath, while the aerodynamic side profile gives it a modern, streamlined look. The rear is just as striking, with a subtle lip spoiler, LED taillights, and a dual exhaust setup that emphasizes its sporty character. The car sits on 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires, ensuring both style and grip. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused and well-equipped with premium materials. Soft-touch surfaces, leather-wrapped seats, and contrast stitching give it an upscale feel, while the sporty bucket seats provide excellent support. The dashboard houses a fully digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mitsubishi has also included a premium sound system, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports for convenience. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a performance touch, while the center console is designed with easy-to-reach controls. Rear passengers get decent legroom, and the cargo space is practical for a compact sports coupe, making it a great daily driver. Under the hood, the 2025 Eclipse GS Turbo packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 268 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. This power is sent to the front wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Acceleration is impressive, with a 0-60 mph time of around 5.5 seconds, putting it in line with some of its closest competitors. The lightweight chassis, sport-tuned suspension, and precise steering make it a joy to drive, whether on twisty back roads or daily commutes. Mitsubishi has also fine-tuned the braking system, with ventilated discs providing strong stopping power. The turbocharged engine delivers a satisfying punch while maintaining respectable fuel efficiency, estimated at 25 mpg city and 32 mpgs highway. Technology and safety features are also a strong point in the 2025 Eclipse GS Turbo. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The advanced driver assistance systems work seamlessly to enhance safety without compromising the sporty driving experience. The infotainment system is intuitive, with fast response times and a customizable interface. A heads-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, keeping the driver focused on the road. Pricing for the 2025 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS Turbo starts at around $30,000 for the base model with a manual transmission, while the fully loaded version with the automatic transmission and additional features can reach up to $35,000. This pricing makes it a strong competitor against models like the Honda Civic Type R and Volkswagen Golf GTI, offering a mix of performance and practicality at a competitive price point. The 2025 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS Turbo is a well-rounded sports coupe that delivers exciting performance, a stylish design, and a tech-rich interior without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a fun daily driver or a weekend thrill machine, this car has a lot to offer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know what you think about the new Eclipse GS Turbo in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And for